Hey, just finished my run, local track. There we go. Trying out my new Bass Buds headphones. I like them first of all because they're pink. They're very flashy. I also like that they stayed in my ears the whole time. My headband isn't holding them in, it's just keeping me warm because it's December. And yeah, I think I can vouch for this. Good sound, good quality, seems durable. It's definitely more sturdy than a lot of headphones that come with your MP3 players. I think I like the start-stop button. You can switch tracks and, control your MP3 player from that one button. My only request is that there be volume control because when you're running, you don't want to be fiddling with your smartphone or MP3 player. Anyway, so thanks Bass Buds for giving me a shot at these. And check out my review at arbanblog.com.